nice and organized. But the thing is, anytime that you're going to put something up top, you always want to label it so you can see it nice and easy. This one, there's often an orange tag that gives the, this one gives, on the white tag gives the size, but the company puts on
The original
the
part
tag,
size.
an orange tag that often tells you
The cut
what
size.
size it is. And this one's all the way up here.
The size that
The
it's
thing
cut
is, I
to.
can use my cell phone to get a look at that. But now that I got that, I know it's a 104 by 81. I'll go ahead and write that on the bottom. That way, at a glance, without going through too much drama, I know what I got going on. And I'm gonna have to, 104 by 81. Mine's a custom size. It just makes it nice and easy now to know what's up there. No one's got to guess.
And of course, that's just good practice when you're stacking things up as well. The more that you can know what's in the box, kind of label what's in your boxes, the less you have to open things up and move stuff around every time to figure out more what's going on. It's kind of common sense when storing things. But if you leave yourself some types of legends, some type of record of what's where, and what's there, it just takes a lot of the stress out of it. It makes it a lot easier to know what you got going on. Save you some headache down the road. And the other way to do that is just to position things. This thing could have been positioned with that label down and would have been able to read it easy at a glance. But if that's not the case, if it's not clearly labeled, then labeling things, leaving that legend, gonna make things a little bit easier.